Rose, Wrenfield, you know. And me sister Regina had a hairdressing appointment tonight, and you know, Frank Farbehind said, why not come in and let's have an interview about Regina's fear of flying. You know, she did wrench her neck on that flight back from her vacation, and she is a bit nervous and timid of airplanes, but I am petrified. My fear is way bigger than Regina's. I can't get on a plane in a normal state of mind. Never. I got to have something from the doctor, you know, a prescription to relax. I got to have a couple of drinks, you know. I can hardly even stand the thought of getting in a big airplane and head out with no idea where I'm even going. That's the part about it. I once went on a plane and I didn't even know where my destination really was. Hello? Oh my God, something went wrong.